Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Pragmata Demo not launching or crashing on PC. Follow each solution step by step until the game works for you. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Pragmata Demo. Right-click on Pragmata Demo and select Properties. Select Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to check and repair the game files. Once it finishes, try launching the game. Solution 2. Right-click Pragmata Demo again and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Browse Local Files. Locate Pragmata Sketchbook.exe. Right-click the file and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as administrator. Enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game and test it. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest graphics driver. Solution 4. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the NVIDIA app. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates. Download and install any available driver updates. Solution 5. Open the link found in the video description. Scroll down and locate x86. Click VC Redist x86 to download it. Then click VC Redist x64 to download it. Locate the downloaded files. Double-click VC Redist x64. Accept the terms and press Yes. Wait for the installation to finish and click Close. Do not restart yet. Now double-click VC Redist x86. Accept the terms and press Yes. Wait for it to finish installing. Now restart your PC. After restarting, launch Pragmata Demo, and the game should now work correctly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.